Hello, good morning, children. This is your social science teacher, Jasveer Kaur, class 9th. I'm going to teach you about your Russian Revolution. Although we have done its three parts earlier, its process and others, today I'm going to give you some written notes so that you can understand the things more appropriately. This one I told you about liberals, radicals, conservatives, and next is our industrialists and social change, socialism in Europe, and socialism given support. So let us have its detail one by one. First, I am going to teach you about liberals. Liberals were the liberals were mainly wanted a nation which tolerated all the religions. They argued for an elected parliamentary government subject to laws interpreted by well-trained judiciary that was independent. And second, that is radicals. They wanted government which was based on the majority of the country's population, the idea of non-existence of private property and concentration of property in hands of a few was disliked by them. So in this way, dear students, these radicals, they wanted that government based on the majority of the country's population, the idea of non-existence private property and concentration of property in the hands of few hands was disliked them. Here I would like to mention only due to this reason that property was concentration in few hands. Revolution was against this point only. Okay? Revolution was against this point only. And then third one is conservatives. Conservatives were also the part of that revolution. They respected the past and resisted the change, but soon after the revolution began to accept the change. Like in my previous video, I told you about its one example also, that conservatives, they are somewhat passive citizens. They don't want to do anything actively like radicals and liberals. Simply they used to think that we क्यों टेंशन लेना, क्यों करना है, जो हो रहा है ठीक है, हो रहा है, जो नहीं हो रहा वो भी ठीक है, और होगा तो सबके साथ होगा, हमारे साथ भी होगा. So fourth point is that industries in Europe and social change. This was a period of economic and social change. Men, women, and children were pushed into factories on lower wages, where liberals, radicals, who were factory owners, considered that workers' efforts must be encouraged. As you know, children, that this was always a major issue regarding factory workers, their working hours, their wages, and especially women wages. Women were paid less than men during that time. So that was also one major reason of these things, that wages should be given or not, or equally to the women, equally to the women. So next point is that there was socialism in Europe, that socialism was not only within the society, it was in the industry also. Socialists were of the view that they were totally against the idea of private property. They had different visions of future. Some demanded that government should must be encouraged cooperatives. Here I would like to take the name of Karl Marx, Friedrich Engels, his friend. They added that industrial society was a capitalist, whereas Marx believed that socialist society would free the workers from capitalism, and then this world would become a communist society. Then our next point is that there was socialism was given support by the to fight a better condition about the workers in the society. If we see that this whole revolution revolves around the workers condition, mean to say 80% population of Russia was consisted of workers. They were agricultural workers, works in the agricultural sector, that they were very much acquainted with the economy, their contribution in economy, their working condition, living condition. And I would like to take the name of Germany. England began forming different type of association. They set up funds for such type of members who were in distress. They were in somewhat, we can say, not given appropriate wages, working condition. There was a reduction of working hours, and right to vote was also implemented over there. Then our next point is that when all these things were going on, there was February Revolution. First step of the revolution, that was February Revolution. February Revolution, as it is clear from the name, in the winter of 1917, the condition in Petrograd was severe. Petrograd is the name of place over there. There was food shortage in the workers' quarters. Okay, food shortage, food scarcity, and there are different reasons of food scarcity in Russia that time. Then 22nd February, a lockout was done by these workers, these revolutionaries that were earlier mentioned as liberals and radicals. There were workers from 50 other factories who joined strike, and there was an active participation. There was an active participation from the women workers to this came to be known as International Women Day afterwards. Then next point is that as the quarters of the fashionable area and official buildings were surrounded by the workers, the government imposed curfew over there, क्योंकि वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा हसल बसल हो रहा था. विमेन की अलग से स्ट्राइक चल रही थी, लिबरल्स रेडिकल्स, और ये लोग पेट्रोगार्ड की तरफ अपना मार्च इन्होंने किया था इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्लोगन्स, ठीक है, स्ट्राइक्स. तो एट दैट टाइम दैट गवर्नमेंट दैट Nicholas II was also there, right? Against him this was doing. And the quarters of the fashionable area and official buildings were surrounded by the workers, and they, जिसे हम कह रहे हैं कि घेरा डाल देते हैं, सराउंड कर लिया था, स्लोगन्स लगा रहे थे कि यू हैव टू डू दिस, गिव अस राइट दिस टू प्रॉपर्टी, अदरवाइज वी विल बर्न दिस, डू दिस. एंड व्हेन गवर्नमेंट सॉ दिस, right, so government scared somewhat, and government implemented curfew over there. Followed by this incident, government called out the police and cavalry. Cavalry here mean to say special type of police, that local police, if unable to control the things, they call this type of special, to keep an eye on the protestators, and they were left 24th and 5th of February. This strike was going on. These incidents were going on, the government suspended Duma. उनको मिठी गोली दे दी थी तो गवर्नमेंट ने, Duma is the name of parliament over there, like we have parliament consist of Lok Sabha, उनका भी इस टाइप से था, that is called Duma. On the 25th, and politicians spoke against the action, and after that on 27th the police headquarters were ransacked by these revolutionaries. Due to this incident the Kavendri was called out again. जब उन्होंने ये पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर्स को घेरा डाल लिया था तो एक बार फिर दोबारा जो स्पेशल CRP टाइप पुलिस होती है इंडिया में, इस टाइप से उन्होंने सेंट्रल लेवल से एक पुलिस और दोबारा बुला लिया था. तो एंड उस झड़प में एक जो पुलिसमैन था, ऑफिसर था, वो उनकी बैरिक रेजिमेंट्स में उसकी डेथ हो गई थी. एंड अदर रेजिमेंट्स म्यूटिनाइड, वोटिंग टू ज्वाइन द strike and workers gathered from the Soviet or council. This was Petrograd, Soviet. अब ये सब झड़प हुई थी तो इसका रिज़ल्ट क्या निकला था, तो दे हैव फॉर्म्ड देयर पेट्रोगार्ड सोवियत मीन टू से एक काउंसिल बना ली थी उन्होंने, जिसको नाम दे दिया था पेट्रोगार्ड काउंसिल. एंड ऑन 2nd of the March दिस ज़ार वॉज रेलिनिक्वेस्ट. ज़ार को वहाँ से बाहर भगाना पड़ा या उसको जाना पड़ा कंपल्शन में. द सोवियत एंड दुमा लीडर्स फॉर्म्ड अ प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट टू रन द कंट्री. तो इन दिस वे दे फॉर्म्ड अ provisional government to run the country. As earlier I mentioned this term, the formation of provisional government, right? तो इसको एक गवर्नमेंट चला ली थी. अभी निकोलस पूरी तरह से नहीं, he was somewhat within the country. So in this way, this is the incident that how radicals, liberals, conservative form a socialism in Europe, and how socialism in Europe gave rise in industrialization also in their society also, and how was the next step, that was February Revolution in Petrograd, and how this provisional government was formed. Okay, bye students, take care.